Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy cheap proxies, okay? So cheap proxies, VPN, and all other accounts at a very cheap price, right? Okay, so without wasting my time, let me get started, okay? So the name of this website is ProxyHome, right? So ProxyHome.org. Yeah, proxy.org. I'll leave the link in the description so that it will be very easy accessing the website. Okay. So this is how the website looks like. Okay. Very neat and then presenting websites. It's very easy to log in and then create an account. So if you already have an account, what you need to do is to log in over here. Right? Tap on login. But if you don't have, you tap on get started for free. Okay. So this is how the interface looks like. So you enter your username, your email, your password, and then you confirm your password again. But since I already have an account, all I need to do is to enter my logins right here. So let me enter my login. Okay, then I'll enter my password. So after entering my password, it will direct me to the dashboard, right? So as you can see, you have dashboard, buy proxy and account, foreign numbers, my order. So my order will basically show me whatever I've ordered recently, okay? And this one is a website for buying foreign numbers for verification and stuff. Yeah, so this is where the proxies are. But before you get to the proxy side, you can change the currency based on where you are. Okay, so in case you're in Nigeria, just tap on Naira and then you save it. Everything on this website will be converted to Naira. Okay, same applies to dollar, like any other currency. But since I'm in Ghana, I'll just choose Ghana. Then I'll tap on save currency. Okay, yes. And if you want to deposit to your account, all you need to do is to tap on add funds, right? And you select the amount you want to deposit, whether being $1, $5, $10, whatsoever. So I'll just tap on maybe $5. So depending on where you are, if you're in Ghana, you use mobile money. If you're in Nigeria, you use the second option, which is the bank/card. Yeah, it has indicated it's Nigeria, whatever. But if you want to use crypto, maybe BTC, USDT or whatever, you just tap on crypto must here. Okay, yes. So after making the payment, it will be credited automatically and you'll be redirected to the website. Okay, yes. So after getting your money credited, all you need to do is to tap on buy proxy and accounts, right? Yeah. So as you can see, we have 1 month Express VPN login available. We have Apple Music e-code. You have 9 proxy. This is the IP. This is also for 9 proxy by the gigabyte, right? Yeah. So when you come, you have Cloud Proxy, Google Voice over here, IP Rocket, like everything you need. You also have Text Plus over here. Yeah. So basically, that's all about this website. And if you want videos on how to connect specific IPs, there are videos here. In case you face any issues too, you just tap on support here, create a new ticket. So maybe if it's payment issue or other issue, let's say other issue, right? And you describe the kind of problem you're having. So for the sake of this video, let me just do testing. Okay, then you create a ticket. Within minutes, you get a response right here. Yeah, so that's basically what the website is about. Yes, that's what the website is about. So in case you want a US number for any kind of verification or stuff, you just tap on foreign numbers over here or here. It's the same thing. Then when you tap on it, it will direct you to the website for buying numbers, virtual numbers. So you can either choose to join their channel for updates concerning this particular website, or you just go ahead, sign up, and then start buying number for yourself. Yeah, so that's basically what the website is about. So the name of the website again is ProxyHome.org. ProxyHome.org. Okay, ProxyHome.org. That's how it looks like. A very, very nice website with cheap proxies to buy from the very, very cheap offers. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Also leave the link to this particular website, right? It will be very, very easy accessing it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.